Do you enjoy listening to music? Then there are legitimate ways to get paid to listen to music. If you are listening to music anyway while you're on your computer, watching TV, eating, or working, then there are many legitimate apps, websites, and music programs that will pay you just for listening to music. If you are a fan of jamming out to music, who isn't, and wondering how to get paid to listen to music, I'm going to show you make $12.35 over and over again by listening to music. Before the start of the video, make sure you leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Can I get paid for listening to music? Yes, if you love music, then getting paid for listening to music is a fun side hustle and genuine way to make money online from home, or anywhere you have access to the internet. Chances are you listen to Spotify, but did you know that you could monetize your playlist on Spotify? Well, you can get paid to listen to Spotify or even on internet radio. There are online platforms you can register yourself with through apps and websites that will pay you to listen to music, and then rating and writing reviews about it. It is a fun and simple way to earn while you are eating or watching TV. While listening to music does not pay as well as regular jobs, it still will give you a little extra in your pocket every month. All you need to do is sign up for the best legitimate apps, websites, and music programs that will really pay you for listening to music. What apps and websites pay you to listen to music? These days, there are lots of money-making or side hustle apps that will let you make side cash on your phone by doing simple things you are already doing in your everyday life, such as listening to music. Here are the best apps and websites that will pay you to listen to music. All these apps and sites are free to join. 1. Current app. If you have been wondering how to get paid to listen to music, then you could get paid real cash for listening to music on your lock screen by using the Current app. You can search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations through the Current Music app. The more you play, the more you earn. You can also earn gift cards and cash by inviting your friends to join the Current app. The Current app is the only subscription-free lock screen music player that will let you make cash by listening to music on your lock screen. This app lets you earn cash rewards listening to music while you are on your computer, working out, watching TV, eating, running, commuting, or at work. You can also earn cash by listening to free offline music and radio players. Every time you play music, you will earn points that can be converted to free cash. This app also allows you to earn cash rewards by completing surveys, sharing your real opinion, inviting friends, and performing other tasks. 2. Nielsen Market Research. Nielsen Market Research app is an excellent app you can use to make money while listening to music. You can download the Nielsen app from both Google Play and the App Store. If you download and install the Nielsen app, you give the app access to your device usage. The app will then track your surfing activities on your device, such as the kind of music you listen to, what streaming platforms you use, etc., all for market research. Nielsen will then pay you for your participation in their research. For example, Nielsen's computer and mobile panel can help you make money by listening to your own playlists you already have on your devices. Although you can only earn up to $50 per year with the Nielsen app, this app gives you a hassle-free way to make some cash while you listen to music on your devices. 3. Earnably. Earnably is a reward site like Swagbucks that rewards their members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple online tasks, completing surveys, and watching videos. One of the ways you can earn cash and gift cards via Earnably is by listening to music. You will earn points for listening to your favorite radio stations. You can redeem your points for instant PayPal cash or free gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. You can invite your friends, family, and followers to earn more. When someone joins Earnably through your unique referral link, you will earn 10% of their earnings for life. 4. Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is one of the most reliable and well-known apps and websites that pays you to listen to new songs before they are released. They ask you to write a review after you listen to a song. If you like listening to music, it's a great way to share your opinion and get paid. You cannot be picky about what songs you review. Slice the Pie selects them at random for you to listen to. All the tracks are anonymous until you have received them. To review a song, you will need to listen to at least 90 seconds of the track before you can start writing a review about it. You will need a minimum of 45 words in your review. The more detailed your reviews are, the more you can earn. The pay ranges between 3 cents and 15 cents per review. Although it is not a lot, it adds up. You can withdraw your earnings with PayPal when you have at least $10. It's 100% free to join. 5. Hit Predictor. Hit Predictor is a website that pays you to rate songs online. On this site, you can choose the music genres you want to listen to rather than getting a mix of anything and everything. But this means that sometimes there will not be much for you to review. On this site, when you listen to music, you can rate individual songs or artists based on your opinions. You will earn points for each rating. Hit Predictor pays you 3 points each time you rate a song, which you can redeem for gift cards. Once you reach 500 points, you can enter raffles for $50 to $100 iTunes gift cards or free DVDs and CDs at 1,250 points. There are also loads of contests to enter and other prizes you can win daily. 6. Radio Earn. Radio Earn is an app and online radio station. It is 100% free to join. Once you have signed up on their site, you can tune in to the station. You earn points every 15 minutes, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. You can add this radio link to your website or even social media account to earn money anytime you click on the link to listen to the radio station. Following the next month, these points will be converted into US dollars. You can cash out your earnings via a bank transfer, wire, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin, BTC. You earn points, PTS, for every 15 minutes you listen to the radio. The more you listen, the more points you can earn. The points will be converted into US dollars. 7. Unique Rewards. Unique Rewards is a reward site that lets you earn easy cash for doing what you like to do. There are many ways to earn cash on Unique Rewards. This app will pay you for completing offers and surveys, listening to music, watching videos, reading emails, shopping online, clicking ads, and playing free games. As a member of Unique Rewards, you can earn cash by listening to the radio. You can choose any radio station you would like to listen to. Every 30 minutes, a CAPTCHA will pop up. You get paid for every submitted CAPTCHA code. US users earn 3 cents and British and Canadian users earn 1 cent for every submitted CAPTCHA code. The minimum balance for cashing out is $20. You can withdraw your earnings via PayPal, Bitcoins, or by check on a weekly basis, each Monday as long as you have at least $20 in your account. How to get paid to listen to music on Spotify. Spotify gives you instant access to millions of songs you can stream anything you like on your computer, mobile, tablet, and TV. Just hit play to stream anything you like, from old favorites to the latest hits. You can also download music and listen offline. Spotify gives you instant access to unlimited ad-free music. But have you ever thought about monetizing your Spotify playlist? If you build a great Spotify playlist, then feature an emerging artist's track on your playlist, most of the listeners on your playlist are going to hear that new track too. If you are getting thousands of daily streams for your playlist, new artists can reach out to get featured in your playlist. You can charge the new artist a fixed rate to get featured on your playlist. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.